how to transfer money from USA to Czech. Now, first of all, we will use Wise, and if you use the link below, you will benefit from 0 fees for your transfer up to £500. Now, first of all, open your Wise account and tap on send money. Now, first of all, select your destination currency. In this case, it will be USD, and select your recipient currency. Search for, as you can see, Czech, like that. So after that, select your recipient currency, and now you can type how much you want to transfer. For example, $1,000, and this is how much your receiver or recipient will receive. Now after that, type on PayPath, and now select payment method. For example, bank account, wire transfer, international wire, debit card, credit card. Now after you select the payment method, for example, bank account, you can now tap on add recipient, and as you can see, tap on bank details, and now tap on someone else. Now after that, what you need to do, if the recipient want to send that money to local bank, we need their phone name, account prefix, it's optional of course, account number, bank account, country, city, recipient, and this postcode. And if you want to transfer that money to IBAN, to their IBAN, you will need their phone name, IBAN, country, city, recipient, address, and postcode, and click continue. And if you use the link below, you will benefit from 0 fees for your transfer up to £500. And this is how to transfer money from USA to Czech. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.